Tiana Guso Eshani Twaso de Akonsa for Fromo. Now Reverend Father Paul Ignatius Capuchina, Yawa parish priest was St. Anthony of Padua Catholic Church, a war Boko a friend and anum sorry. Ene inmakwensha ban ase ene Ghana fo nyina asumdue ho nsam eda wakoma so se wose nyina ye ka bom na ye nhwe Upper East bantam no emu no ye hwema asumdue fa ne ntoma pa ede efra wo boko ene de ekoso ho ne nsam Adom TV etwaso.
Parish priest Emma St. Anthony, Emma Padua Catholic Church, ewo Boko Reverend Father Paul Ignatius Capuchina, ede ato nananom ahemfo, asorempenifo NGOs, any omanfo enim se, womo enka ono ho emom, na omo mfa niema engu akwam, sene mentimo ase ekoso ewo boko no, eto ebetimi etwa, wode sansem we eto dwa abra, wode enuane, ene niema hodo bi ekoma omanfo a womo ho aka ewo boko a na mentimo ase, eniema hodo bi ode koma omo no, eye emo bag ibi makomako 200, ebro bag 200, ene niema hodo bi eka ho. Omanfo yi ensaka chedie womo da reverend no ase. Wana muntu a wotu ye no mumientie nsem a Reverend Father any Adom News in Central for etwetwe ho komo.
The situation here is very volatile. The situation is volatile because as I lie in my room, I hear gunshots around the mission, and sometimes with these gunshots, even the fact that you can't even sleep, but then you following them, hear that they have killed people here, they have killed people over there. All these things don't add well into the happiness and the joy with which you have come to work here. If you come to work in a place and then you wake up to hear that one of those you are working with is dead, somebody has come to beg for food because he has lost a relative. This doesn't augur well for us to find peace and be happy in our work here in Bawku.